YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Nicolo Rigano. You're watching my barber dreams. We're back in this video for another food review. It's been a minute since we've done one, but I've had so many requests to go to this place we're about to check out. It's called the Back Porch in Spears, right outside Bell Vernon, about 20 minutes from my house. This place is a nice fine dining restaurant, you know, really quality food, a lot of different specials. You know, I've heard that they serve duck here, a lot of cool unique dishes, and it's a very historical place. This is a very old building. I don't know much about it. Very excited to check this out, and I'm starving, so let's get on to it, man. Here at the Back Porch here, just had to get some Merlot. I'm gonna get the rack of lamb, which I heard is fantastic in this place. And we also asked for a little basil pesto on the side because it sounded too good. It's a special for the night. So we figured why not add it to the order. Tina, what are you getting?
And I'm gonna get the chicken cutlet entree, which I'm very excited for because I'm a fan of chicken cutlets. Big fan of chicken cutlets. So we're gonna see what this food looks like when it comes out. It should come out in a few minutes.
Gotta get bread at the table. That's how you know it's real.
If I don't get bread with oil within like 10 minutes of me sitting down in an Italian restaurant, I start to get anxious.
You can tell the quality and the detail of the place just by the bruschetta. A lot of flavor, fresh mozzarella. I don't know, simple but great. Look at this lamb. I heard the lamb is the best to get on the menu, so I had to get it. A little wine sauce. How's that chicken cutlet?
Fried perfectly. And a nice little piece of fresh mozzarella in the middle of these two cutlets. It's got a nice little seasoning, though similar to what was on the bruschetta, but it's very good. Tender, crispy, just how I like my chicken cutlets.
So the lamb, I got it medium well, just like my steaks. I think it's a great choice. It's very tender. I just realized it's almost like a cherry wine sauce on top of it with some mashed potatoes, cooked to perfection, super juicy. I'm at a loss of words, to be honest. So the pasta, the pesto's super creamy, super good. And I love that they added the mozzarella slice on there for the extra touch. Fantastic. Fantastic, super fresh. Very good choice with the order. What do you think so far? Are you satisfied with your meal?
I think so far, everything's been outstanding. I'll be honest with you. I'll be totally honest. I think I love this so much. I might take it home with me. get married.
So everything was great so far. Now we're gonna try this dessert out. I think we gotta get the pumpkin mousse trifle, whatever it is. We gotta try it, man.
Look at this little pumpkin. Wow. I did not expect this. This looks great. It's almost like a parfait. Look at that little cherry on top with the little candy corn pumpkin. That's great, man.
This is unbelievable. Like, it's super light. It's like a parfait. It's just like, I don't know. It's like pumpkin pie if you're making it into a parfait version. But super light, like I said, almost like whipped cream texture. They even got the candy corn, little pumpkin on there. Oh no, dude. Never had anything like this.
Undeniable.
So we just got done with our first meal at the back porch right here in Spears, Pennsylvania, a little small town here. Blown away. This place is amazing. Definitely lives up to the hype. I've been told by many people to come here and try out, especially the items that we did. From the appetizer, the entrees, the desserts. I mean, I was blown away. Everything just was super fresh, great detail and everything. Everybody that works here, all the staff, super cool, very friendly. Super cool place to be, not to mention it's historical. Staff took me down to the downstairs area, which is a full bar. You could eat in there, hang out. Gave me a little bit of a history lesson there. This used to be used as an underground railroad. This place was built in 1904. But again, amazing food, amazing environment. So if you're looking for a really good fine dining restaurant, definitely check out the back porch in Spears. You won't be disappointed. So that's another food review in the books. Until the next time, we'll catch you then. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a video, and also follow me at Barber Dreams by Riggs for more cuts and content. And until the next time, we'll see you then.